the environment, right of nature, and indigenous people's rights. So ako yung parang nagbigay ng lecture tungkol sa rights of nature, indigenous people's rights. Tapos yun yung magiging topic ng debate nila ng moot court competition. Ang maganda doon is most of these, kasi law students, future lawyers, no? Most of them talaga parang gusto nilang malaman more about environmental issues kasi bihira yung mga environmental lawyers. Alam naman natin itong nangyayaring baha and maraming mga nararanasan natin is actually connected to the environment. Poverty, hunger, yan, baha, disasters, is all connected to the environment. So yun yung aking call na aside from helping yung mga indigenous peoples fight for the environment, sana in the future sila rin maging lawyers for the rights of nature and the rights of indigenous peoples.
So anong realization mo, anong atmosphere doon sa...
Ang galing, ang galing. I'm so proud, no, kasi iba talaga pag nakakausap ko yung mga young people Siyempre, una, iniisip natin sila yung future, sila yung mga future leaders. And then when you start talking to them, you realize na actually leaders na sila. Marami silang mga ideas, no, about development, about fighting corruption, about human rights, about democratic values, no, na nalalaman mo lang pagkausap mo sila. So, at least ako, hindi ko na sila tinitignan mga bata, kundi nakikita ko na sila na yung mga leaders natin. And I'm happy na at least kahit pa paano na-contribute ako dun sa kanilang wisdom, especially tungkol sa environment and indigenous people's rights.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.